Hi, this is DJG and welcome to a special edition of The Tune-Up. Got some great news coming up about a clothing sponsor which I now have. Really, really good news. I'll tell you about that right after this. Soul Divide and Catch the Light right here on The Tune-Up with me, DJG. That's by Soul Divide on Amplified Records. And you can all find them on tracksource.com. Now, about that news about the new clothing sponsor I have. It is Yours Clothing. They are doing a new men's range and I'm being sponsored by Yours Clothing, so thank you very much for Yours Clothing for doing this good deal. I love it, love the clothes, and in all my performances and appearances you'll see me wearing the Yours Clothing brand. Now back to the music, check this next one out. Two great DJs together, DJ Spen and Todd Terry, Stone Fox Chase on the Unquantized label, only on tracksource.com. Loving this. The harmonicas sound so good in this mix. It's I've never heard it before like this, and it's absolutely brilliant. You need to get this one in your life. Definitely need to get this one. Just going back a bit, I was talking about the clothing sponsorship that I got from Yours Clothing. Well, I've got some pictures, so I'm going to let you have a look at those pictures, then we go on to our next piece of music. Oh yes, I'm loving this one. Never Say Never, the original mix, and it's by Stefano Esposito on Solid Ground Records right here on tracksource.com. Not here at Tracksource, but you can get it on tracksource.com. This is DJG with The Tune-Up, bringing you the very best and latest in Soulful House music for your pleasure and delight.
Allowing faith to
thankful. Soulful Sessions featuring Cheryl Lee on Tony Records. This is such a beautiful, wonderful, crafted piece of music. Loving this one so much. Been playing it, just loving it even more. Every time I play it, get something new from it. So great. Love this one. You need to get this one as well. So any of the tracks you've heard on today's show, you can go to tracksource.com, download them, buy them, download them, and play them to your heart's content. I'll see you next time on the Tune Up.